Hey dosto, namaste. I have three questions today. One of them is related to abundance, the other one is related to flow, and of course the third one is related to gratitude. So I picked it up in such a way that I can talk about one of the most important ones, which is gratitude. So आज का जो सेशन है वो है gratitude से related. ये है हमारा धन्यवाद के भाव से related session. Alright. Please do not mind because आज का जो session है it's going to go ahead and break a lot of myths. Too many people in the world, they have been teaching or treating gratitude in a completely wrong way. Okay, and I'm not talking about law of attraction. Okay, I'm not talking about law of attraction, law of association, law of magnetism. No, ये एक बहुत पुराना सिद्धांत है. It was followed even during the cultures of Egyptian times. उससे पहले भी राजा महाराजाओं के समय से ही धन्यवाद का जो भाव है वो चलते आ रहा है. दान दक्षिणा इसके साथ कैसे जुड़ी हुई वो भी बताएंगे. कब ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था और ये हमारे राइट नाउ इस टाइम के संदर्भ के अंदर विद दिस करंट कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ टाइम हाउ इज इट कनेक्टेड, राइट? सो परफेक्ट गाइस, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम 3 different people and I will go and mix it today as I said so that we can talk about it. The first thing is that gratitude is not something that you do in expecting about results. So many people they do it that they tell you on the phone and they tell you on videos कि आप gratitude कीजिए रोज and you will get double of it back. No, it's not about even thinking of getting anything back. Okay, and let me go ahead and quote you about an example. I will go ahead and quote 2 different stories, 2 different examples, and from that everything will be clear to you. All right. So the first thing that you all need to understand is that we are made of 5 different elements. Okay, हम बाकी पंच धातु या जिसको बोलते हैं सप्त धातु इनसे बने हुए हैं. Is just to go ahead and give you a fair picture that we are made of 5 elements and those 5 elements are the same things that can change form, change energy. It's the food that we get from one of those forms or 2 or 3 different forms. So it is either the earth, the water, the air that make the crop for us. We eat it and within just 72 hours whatever we eat can become your skin, can become your teeth, can become your eyes. So understand this, that forms change, energy changes. Remember this one important point. I will go ahead and quote it later on in just 5 minutes when I talk about the other story. So remember that energy changes form, right? Perfect. Now the second thing, whatever energies that I'm talking about, whatever elements that I'm talking about are limitless in the world, which means about water you do not know and you cannot measure how much of water is there in the oceans, in the riverbeds. You cannot measure it. Can you measure how much of air is there on the earth? It's impossible. Can you measure how much of square feet of earth is there? Have you dug it? We really don't know. So most of the elements that we are talking about over here, which we are made up of, are limitless. Okay, and you cannot go ahead and tell the earth that I'm praying to you, you give me double of it back. Okay, you cannot ask about something that is something that you already have. ठीक है, आप उस चीज के बारे में कुछ मांग नहीं सकते जो ऑलरेडी आपकी ही है. And that's where gratitude comes into picture. Okay, gratitude is not asking for things in double. So many people they start praying, they pray to God and say मैं भगवान के लिए थैंकफुल हूँ, मैं मेरे अपने बच्चे के लिए थैंकफुल हूँ, मम्मी के लिए थैंकफुल हूँ, इसके लिए थैंकफुल हूँ, उसके लिए थैंकफुल हूँ. At the end of their mind उनके पीछे पीछे यही चलते रहता है, are these people thankful to me? And they actually come back because I get a lot many people who are deep into anxiety, deep into depression, and they are always thinking that they have treated people very well. However, they are not getting anything in back. Okay, they are not getting anything in return, right? This happens because in the first place you were expecting, right? And if you go ahead and treat it in a completely different way, अगर आपको gratitude को abundance के साथ जोड़ना है, if you want to go ahead and connect gratitude with abundance, you will have to understand that there's just one way of practicing gratitude. Okay, and that one way is called flow. All right, everything that you know which is abundant in this world is not static, it is moving. And because it is moving, we come to know that it is abundant. Okay, if the air was right over there somewhere in Nigeria or Sudan or Dubai, okay, if airs, a few specific cubes of air, they stay static somewhere in the world. So maybe it stays static. Will the other people in the world be able to breathe? Same thing goes for water, and same thing goes for every single thing, including love, including wealth. Money is also not static. Okay, wealth is not static. Unless and until money does not flow, there is no point of keeping money all with yourself. Please understand, this is for everyone who's watching the show thinking that मैं अपने पैसों के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूँ. people actually don't say thank you even when they go ahead and do any kind of expenses, and that's exactly where things come into picture. So even when you're spending the money, start saying thank you. Even when you're spending your emotions, start saying thank you. Why? Because abundance of emotions. Okay, don't try to curb things. Even if you try to curb your anger, you will still have it inside. So the only way of transforming it is saying thank you, because anything that is going out will change form. Okay, it will change form. Understand this. Any energy that goes out, it changes form. Okay, it cannot stay right there unless and until it does not change form. So please remember these two things. All right, and unless and until you don't share without expectation, understand this. Once you start sharing without expectation, you start sharing knowledge, you start sharing your money, you start sharing your love, you start sharing your emotions, you start sharing your goodwill, you start sharing it without expecting. Okay, now again, there's a cliche to it. So when I say that, once you start sharing it without an expectation, still people have that inside. Okay, trust me, don't expect that anything will come back. Why? Because you're always saying that I already have more than enough, and that's why I am giving, I am showering it, it's just going out because I have more than enough. That has to be the mindset. Okay, and trust me, forget about getting back, you already have enough. Okay, and don't worry, if the pockets get empty, they will get full. Okay, ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. This is one of the best ways of having a mindset. So please remember the flow never ends. Okay, now there will be scientists, there will be people who do a lot of philosophy, and they will come back with this whole mindset saying, no, we can go and measure the air, we can measure the water, let them measure, you go and stay steady. Change your mindset so that you can get in tune with the universe. All right, am I clear? Now let's go ahead and talk about one very good story about Sai Baba. Okay, and this is very very nice because you guys need to understand. बहुत ज़रूरी है हम सभी लोगों को समझना ये बात. Okay, too many people they ask for things. Okay, many a times everyone asks for help, right? हम सभी लोग मदद मांगते हैं, and because our intentions are good, we are good people, we will get our helps satisfied. So you have your whole group of friends, you will have a group of network who will help you. Okay, and that's based upon you and also based upon the person who is giving you. Right? Remember this one important thing. Remember this, and it is all related to the story that I'm going to talk about. That हमारी जो पात्रता रहती है, your deservance, your priority of deservance, or your criteria of deserving anything is not dependent upon you. All right, it is dependent upon the person who is giving you without expecting. Understand this very clearly, and I will tell you the story. All right, Sai Baba थे, उनके पास रोज एक इंसान जाता था. There was a person who would visit Sai Baba every single day, and he would bow down to him, he would touch his feet, and he would not eat unless and until he would not touch Sai Baba's feet. Okay, Sai Baba got a little bit intimidated, got a little bit surprised, and out of love, out of gratitude, Sai Baba said, you don't need to come over here, I will come to your house tomorrow. Okay, and then you don't have to worry that you have to wait in a line till you touch my feet. Right? The next day he waited for Sai Baba. वो अपनी थाली वाली सजाकर वो रुक गए साई बाबा के आने के लिए. और उस वक्त कौन आया? उस वक्त एक कुत्ता आया. There was a dog over there. The dog came in. The dog started forcing itself into the house. And this man, he had to pick up the stick, or maybe he had to shout on the dog so that he would keep the dog out. He waited for Sai Baba for a long time. Next day he visited Sai Baba, and Sai Baba told him, what's wrong with you? Why could you not give me the food? He said, you never came time. Sai Baba said, I came in the form of dog. But don't worry, that's perfectly fine. I will come again tomorrow. All right. Next day again he waits for a dog to come, and there comes in a beggar. A beggar comes in, asks for food. He doesn't give the food. He's waiting for Sai Baba or a dog to come. All right. What's the moral of the story? What are you learning from it? आप क्या सीख रहे हैं दोस्तों? Okay, please understand one thing importantly. Whenever you ask for help, okay, or whenever you are asking for something, there will be someone who will come to you for help at that point of time. At that point of time, have gratitude, have love. Don't say no. All right. Why am I saying this? Because so many people, they want to lose weight, they want to get wealthy, they want to get good in relationships, and there are so many people who are ready to help. But when they come to help, what exactly happens? You're not ready to share your issues. You're not ready to do what are the actionable points that they are telling you. So many people in the world are ready to help, and I can tell you a lot many more stories. There are so many stories, okay, of too many people who wanted to connect with someone else. Okay, there are so many millionaires, billionaires in the world who said that, I was broke, completely broke, and I just picked up the yellow pages, and I hope you guys know whom I'm talking about, right? So that person just picked up the yellow pages, called up the most wealthiest person in the state. He met him, he got all the points that he needed to become wealthy. Okay, guys, just in case you do not know whom I'm talking about, you should be knowing, all right, because stories create expressions, expressions create emotions, emotions create action, and if you take action on the right time, you should be getting the right results. Okay, to get the right results, you also need to set a little bit of your goals, right? Just a little bit of it, because having bigger goals and then not taking action is not good. Start having smaller goals, start taking action on it, and please remember this whole chain, correct? So please understand, gratitude, okay, and action and abundance, they are all connected. How are they connected? Because it is a flow. Unless and until you don't give it, okay, you have received something, you need to give it to someone who is deserving. And please remember that if someone is ready to help you, it could be anyone, and you will meet so many people, right? If there is someone who is ready to help you, please go ahead and create yourself at a place, put yourself at a place where you start taking action rather than procrastinating. Tell them a big thank you, okay? Start getting them engaged. Now I'll go ahead and tell you about myself, right? I will give you a small example about myself. I seriously wanted to go ahead and help someone who had a very big, he had a severe skin issue. But this person did not want to go ahead and communicate with anyone. Now I knew what was the medicine for that specific type of a skin issue, but this person just did not wanted to have that medicine, right? Now, despite two people, someone wants it and someone wants to give it, this person was not ready. Okay, till date that person is not ready. Do you think so we would be able to go ahead and treat that person? No. And it's not just about me. I'm just trying to give you an example over here. So there are so many people in the world who are not ready to be helped. Please understand that if you want something, be ready to be helped. Okay, and for that you will have to be more receptive. Be more receptive. एक खाली बर्तन की तरह हो जाइए, ठीक है? Whenever you are empty, the water will start getting. मैंने पहले बोला था ना आपको, जब जेबें खाली होती है तो भर जाती हैं, ठीक है? Universe will go ahead and keep up the flow with you. It is abundant because you are made with abundance. Understand this. But you have to keep up the flow. Once you start getting it, start sharing it. You get it, share it. Start taking action, right? Please understand this. Flow, abundance, gratitude, all of them are connected. And please remember, just by folding hands or changing it or putting it up onto your WhatsApp status or on your Facebook or talking about it does not mean that you have gratitude. You have to keep the circle going. It's about wealth, it's about relationship, it's about emotion, it's about love, it's about sorrow, it's about sadness. Even sadness, when people share it with someone else, okay, they are able to feel light. The same thing goes with happiness, right? So please connect with people around you, and if there is a person who comes with you with a lot of vision, okay, please understand that this person is ready to go and empty his bowl with a lot of love, with a lot of knowledge, with a lot of wisdom, okay, and be more receptive. So start getting more receptive, being relevant. Staying open are a few things through which you keep the gratitude and the flow going, right? Perfect, guys. Please go ahead and put up a comment. Please put up your queries over there. And as always, I'm always ready to for all your comments, for all your negative, positive, whatever comments you have. Let it flow to me, right? Take care. Thank you.